Have you ever wondered if those breathtaking images of space we see are actually real? Or has NASA been hiding the truth about what's really happening beyond our planet? Brace yourselves, because what you're about to discover might make you question everything you thought you knew about the cosmos. Today, we're diving into one of the biggest mysteries of our time. Has NASA been deceiving us about what's really going on in space? Let's start with something seemingly harmless. Those stunning space images we all know and love. Those pictures of distant galaxies, vibrant nebulae, and the surface of Mars. What if I told you they're not what they seem? NASA has been calling them images, but they're actually data visualizations. The Curiosity rover on Mars, for example, doesn't have a camera like the one on our phones. Instead, it has scientific instruments that collect data about light in different wavelengths, beyond what the human eye can see. This data is transmitted back to Earth, where scientists process and translate it into colors we can see, creating those impressive images we know. The same goes for the James Webb telescope. Unlike traditional optical telescopes, Webb observes the universe in infrared light, invisible to us. The data collected by Webb is processed and colorized to create those spectacular images of galaxies and nebulae. Even missions to the moon, both historical and recent, rely on data visualization. Cameras aboard spacecraft capture information that is then processed and turned into images. In the case of Apollo 11, live video transmission technology was limited, so the images we saw on Earth were actually conversions of slow-scan television signals. So what does this all mean? Does it mean NASA is lying to us? Not necessarily. Data visualization is a legitimate scientific tool that allows us to see and understand phenomena that would otherwise be invisible to us.
For those who haven't read the plaque, we'll read the plaque that's on the front landing gear of this LEM. There's two hemispheres, one showing...
However, it's important to be aware that the images we see are not direct representations of reality, but interpretations based on scientific data. The issue is that NASA isn't always transparent about this process. They often present these visualizations as if they were photographs, which can lead to misunderstandings and misinformation. Moreover, the way data is processed and colorized can influence our perception of celestial objects, raising questions about the objectivity of these images. And what about the moon landing? If space images are data visualizations, how is it possible that we have live videos of Apollo 11? Was it all a hoax? This is a question that has generated much controversy over the years. While there is evidence supporting the authenticity of the moon landing, there are also unanswered questions and anomalies in the images that fuel conspiracy theories. Even the recent news about China's Chang'e 6 mission, which allegedly brought back samples from the far side of the moon, raises more questions than answers. How can we be sure these samples are legitimate? Couldn't they just be another attempt to manipulate the narrative and distract us from the truth? And why so much secrecy around the findings? Are they hiding something bigger? We can't blindly trust what we're told. Do your own research. Question the official narrative. Demand the truth. The truth is out there, hidden in the shadows. Do you dare to seek it? If this video blew your mind and made you think, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more eye-opening content. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family so they can uncover the truth too. Together, we can unravel the mysteries that are being hidden from us and find the answers we seek.